What happened? So you're laughing at me, right? You're laughing at me now because I only have one breast.
There is God. Oh.
Fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's your turn. Do what you want. Oh, the Iroko has fallen. This is not Iroko. The mango has fallen.
How do we hear of this?
Wait. Oh, Jesse. Baby.
Continue.
What happened now? Your breast that was standing now, one has obeyed and one is disobeying.
Will you keep quiet?
Because of this, all this while I've been shouting, you don't know that it's affecting my breast. Don't say that. Me cause your problem. No, now. Will I cause your problem? You better give me money for breast enlargement.
She what?
Eh? Breast enlargement. Or we don't need breast enlargement. What about nose enlargement? Ear enlargement.
Jesus is Lord.
Every time when you are shouting, you'll be doing like this. You'll be doing like this. Every time you'll be doing like this. Now you don't have anywhere to do. It's only one, and you do like this now.